The bowl. What bowl? The bowl of jelly? The Jello bowl? I'm curious, why are you like making all the optimal shard routes? The shards are like really long, so they would probably almost never be in any percent. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've done every heart and timed it. And it's pretty much not even close. Like the ones that are in any percent are by far faster than the other ones that aren't in any percent. And the only one that comes close is Timberdale Tower. It's only 1 second slower than. It's only 1 second slower than Shards in Dragon Reach, which is the longest heart in any percent. But there's a pretty good reason why we use that one. We do that because we can get wingsuit from that. Oh my god. Yeah, some of them are really long. Like Dagger Crag shards, most of the shards are like incredibly long. Dagger Crag shards is really long too. Neverglade shards. Neverglade shards is yeah, it's alright, it's fun. It's pretty quick too. I like it. Here's a new strategy that you don't use. that I've recently started using. If you do 2 long jumps here, you can get a high jump here and do like that, and it's much faster than what I used to do. And I know that you do a different strategy, and I think it's faster than the strategy you do too. It's all about getting the charged regular jump off of the second long jump. And I implemented that thing they were talking about where we get rage off that mole rat thing. Internalized. Cool. Yeah. I think it's pretty fast. I think it's fast. I've been getting better times in Sundial since I started using it. And we use it again here for tower. Except for I messed it up. Yeah, this is going to be like 10 seconds or more loss. Maybe not. Yeah, it's definitely time loss. I wish there was more to this game, even as a casual fan. Yeah, I get the feeling of that from a lot of people on the Vexx Discord. They really want more of this game. And I do too, but I get great enjoyment out of speedrunning the game. Like the rock suit room in Summit, Grenkin would always knock you off. There's a rock suit room in Summit? Yeah, actually, I've never seen the rock suit room in Summit. I heard somebody talking about it. I think I was on the Discord, and I was like, "What? I don't think I've ever been there." It's in the Vexx head. Oh. Is it inside the door that you have to open with the stone carving buttons? Yeah, I haven't really looked at all much around in that area. Some of the stages is definitely a very incomplete level. Interesting, yeah, I've never done that. Out of all the time that I played Vexx, I've never done that. Uh-oh. Good thing this is the one that doesn't matter too much if you get behind. There's 20 shards in there, huh? Maybe we could use it to optimize the shard route. I mean, I think Fax Me Apple... I trust... Fax Me Apple Juice really... He really maximized those shards. I tried to find anything I could to make him faster, and I just couldn't. You can just jump in on the rafters. There's like some moving to get in the attic of the boat. There's like some moving pistons, and you can jump on top of those and then jump through a hole in the floor. That's how you do it without rage. Oh my god. Stupid. Is this a gremkin? Is this what you call a gremkin? I've been calling them mole rats. Yeah, gremkins are the aliens, yeah. I've been calling those aliens. What are the mole rats called? I don't even know what they're called. Yeah, I wish shards had potential too. I wish shards were like in Super Mario 64, where when you gathered all of them, you didn't have to go back to the hub. You just collected the heart, and you could keep like going in the level. I think that would make there would be like some stuff that we would go for more shards. I like shards actually. I like doing shards. I'm doing horribly right now, but. Neverglade shards, yeah, they're... How fast are Neverglade shards? I'm pretty sure they're not... I think they're like 2 minutes, 37 seconds. If you measure it from the second that you enter the level. Like, you walk through the door. 2 minutes, 37 seconds, I think. And a heart needs to be 2 minutes or less to be part of the run. Let me check my spreadsheet. Neverglades. Neverglade shards, 2 minutes 39 seconds. It's gonna be faster for you though because you did the wing strategy. So I could see, 2 minutes and 20 seconds maybe. Yeah, if you use the wings. If you're going really fast. Here's the spreadsheet that I have.